Most traders missed this. Did you miss this? Because we called out this top on May 5th and we've been 100% correct in this bear market rally. I'd like to show you exactly what I'm talking about here. Right here, we did this, we published this May 5th, 2026, sell in May and go away. So I wanted to point that out to you that we have been looking out for your best interest. Our channel has never said that we are in a bull market. We've never ever became a moon boy and told you that you should be buying this market. I warned you very much and gently warned you many times that we'd be moving down, and here we are today. We're making a very big move down. This does not surprise me in any way, shape, or form. This market, I told you that we would come up and be making a top, and that these markets, they go in these bear market rallies here for longer than human emotions can take it, and eventually, once the market has exhausted all the traders of buying up this market, then the massive selling kicks in, and here we are. I explained to you that we'd be coming back and retesting this low at 59,000, and currently and right now we are still 100% on track. Our bear market thesis and our thesis for a 12-month and 13-month bear market is still fully intact. So please leave us a comment below that you followed our recommendations and that you believe strongly in our work and the things that we do, and that I don't tell you that you need to buy Bitcoin when it's in fact about ready to roll over. I've never ever told you to do that. So if you can, just hit up those comment sections, tell us how we're doing. Let us know if you followed our recommendation that we called the top here at 82.8, because that's where Jupiter was sitting in the circle. I showed you that just in a video, I think yesterday or today. I do like so many videos on this subject. So I'm still sticking to my guns. I'm a gunslinger, and my barrels are still red hot from shooting, and we're not anywhere out of the forest yet, and we still have several months until the low comes in October and November. So I just want you to be very aware that we're going to be coming down and retesting this area like I said, and here we are. So give us a like, give us a subscribe, and share this with your colleagues, because it's most likely that most of you are having your friends tell you that we're in a bull market and this is different, and I hear this so many times. So I just really want to protect your investments, and I'd like you to start using some logical and sensible determinations as we do with William Gann. And by the way, we still have this William Gann's birthday is coming up here on the 6th of June, and it's just like my own birthday for that matter. And we have a 25% discount. It's running till the 6th, and you can purchase our Natural Square Scientific Forecasting Instrument, or purchase the online forecasting course. It comes with the Natural Square and a ton of original Gann documents on the longitude of prices and how to create yearly forecasts. So lots of real material there. I don't fluff anything up, I don't add anything to it, and I don't take anything away. I explain it just exactly as William had intended this material to be produced, and I'd like very much for you to have a chance at understanding this more. So with that, I'm going to sign off now. give us a like and subscribe so that you don't miss any market updates that we put out where we've been 100% correct in our thesis. Peace and love, brothers and sisters.